The motion yesterday was to declare the positions
Yes.
vacant.
Declare the position vacant. Hindi natin napansin ito mga kadonatics. And of course, this means Senator Lacson or Pinky is no longer the Blue Ribbon Committee chairman mga kadonatics as of speaking.
So there is no chair, there is no vice chair, there are no members. So how can a committee convene or continue with its proceedings when there is no chairman, there are no members? Members and chairpersons and vice chairpersons are elected.
As a matter of courtesy and tradition,
And that's why,
instead of just saying the name and then replacing the chairman, which happens in certain instances with the permission of the two individuals, when there is a leadership change, usually there's a question of the chairmanship. So there's sometimes a motion to declare all positions vacant.
Eto, maganda itong mga kadonatics. Continue ang Senate session ngayong araw. Alright, naka-stop lang to pero nag-live streaming to mga kadonatics. And I was struck by this part because ngayon pala, ay kahapon, since kahapon pala mga kadonatics, wala nang chairman sa mga committee. Oh no, no, no. Except Senator Bato de la Rosa na bagong chairman ng Public Order mga kadonatics. Beyond that, lahat ng mga committee, including the Blue Ribbon Committee mga kadonatics, ay vacant. Si Senator Lacson o si Pinky Lacson mga kadonatics is no longer a Blue Ribbon Committee according sa motion na lahat ng mga committee mga kadonatics ay consider vacant. Ito, panoorin lang natin ng konti mga kadonatics. I think not konti. Ito.
the motion yesterday was to declare the positions
Yes.
vacant.
Declare the position vacant. Hindi natin napansin ito mga kadonatics. And of course, this means Senator Lacson or Pinky is no longer the Blue Ribbon Committee chairman mga kadonatics as of speaking.
So there is no chair, there is no vice chair, there are no members. So how can a committee convene or continue with its proceedings when there is no chairman, there are no members? Members and chairpersons and vice chairpersons are elected.
As a matter of courtesy and tradition,
And that's why,
instead of just saying the name and then replacing the chairman, which happens in certain instances with the permission of the two individuals, when there is a leadership change, usually there's a question of the chairmanship. So there's sometimes a motion to declare all positions vacant. But that is the brilliance of the rules. The rule is very clear. The chairman and the members of the permanent committee shall commence in the exercise of their election of their duties, and they shall cease when their successor have been elected or designated. So out of prudence,
Okay.
usually in controversial hearings and in new bills, etc. So for example, if the divorce bill is very controversial, and let's say Senator Villanueva was hearing it, and then he was replaced, usually he will not call another hearing out of prudence and respect for the body. But let's say he was hearing something about nutrition that everyone accepts. He would probably continue his hearing. But actually, this will all soon be moot and academic because probably by tomorrow and Monday, we will start and finish reading all of the chairmanships. And you usually have to have 3-day notice. So even if you want to have a hearing Monday or Tuesday, you have to have the notice tomorrow. So by Monday, we'll have all of this settled. I just mentioned it because Senator Pia reminded me about her hearing, and then I read some comments about some important matters and the cancellation. No? So it was really meant to address the present situation, maybe today, tomorrow, and Friday, if everyone has the pleasure of hearing on Friday, which includes Senator Bam, napaka-importante matapos natin yung voucher program. No?
Alright, so very clear mga kadonatics. So once na yung position ay na-declared vacant, you cannot conduct any hearings anymore mga kadonatics unless napag-usapan by majority mga kadonatics na okay, you have to continue your chairmanship being the Blue Ribbon Committee. But in the case of Senator Lacson, nako, I don't think mga kadonatics na all of them would agree na ipagpatuloy niya ang pagka-chairman mga kadonatics sa Blue Ribbon Committee. So, they have to settle it first. They have to name chairmen. Kahapon kasi, si Senator Bato de la Rosa lang, pagkatapos nilang i-declared vacant, si Senator Bato de la Rosa dineclared agad mga kadonatics with a motion na siya ang magiging chairman sa public order. So, it's basically saying na si Senator Bato de la Rosa lang ang nag-iisang nag-function ngayon na chairman mga kadonatics. Unless mabotohan with the majority na okay, you can continue Lacson for being a Blue Ribbon Committee chairman. But in this case mga kadonatics, they will not agree of it. So, especially ito si Senator Marcoleta. Now, by Monday, we will all know kung sino-sino yung mga bagong successors mga kadonatics. Alright? By tradition daw kasi, pag magpalit ng leader, usually, lahat ng mga committee chairman mga kadonatics, once declared vacant, ay talagang magsisis talaga in convening or gathering mga kadonatics.
Well, Mr. President, if I may suggest, so that we can dispense with this, let's just suspend the rules with unanimous consent, with the understanding that this is to be a suspension until Monday when the matter has been resolved
the
by the election of new
The problem is, if you
chairperson.
suspend the rule, you'll suspend Section 19, then it will be worse because there will be
since-
no...
Well, Mr. President, the trouble also with Section 19 is that it assumes there is a chairperson and a vice chairperson and members. We already declared all positions vacant. There are no chairpersons today. There are no vice chairpersons today. There are no members of all these committees today. So when you say they shall cease, they meaning as chairperson, as vice chairperson, and as members. But that's not the case. We declared all positions vacant.
Yes, and it is vacant, but they can continue until their successors have been elected. It is taught in law school that when there are rules, you have to interpret it in a logical way that makes it work. So there will be no reason for this rule if in fact we did not remove chairman, because then the rule would simply be the vice chairman would take over, the senior member, etc. So actually this rule takes care of any situation, including, for example, if 3 senators have resigned and have joined the executive department, and then every member from that committee resigned, then they will continue to be vice chairman and committee members. If it's your pleasure, Senator, and I sort of see your point, but I see the logic of Senator, we can refer it to the Committee on Rules.
Yes, I think that would be better, Mr. President, so that we can get a clear definition or a clear ruling or a recommended ruling from the Committee on Rules and legal interpretation of this particular rule.
Thank you for bringing that up. No?
Thank you, Mr.
So one thing for sure mga kadonatics, as of now, okay, walang vice chairman, walang chairman sa committee mga kadonatics. Nako.
At least we'll clear it up so that those who have important
That
hearings will not need
includes Ping Lacson.
to cancel it.
Well,
So-
just on that point, Mr. President, the reason why I'm raising this is because we do have committee reports that we are ready to submit, and so we would like to be clear as to can we still submit these committee reports today,
Of course.
tomorrow? Can we still
they
sponsor
submit the submitted?
committee reports that have been submitted tomorrow or maybe even Monday?
Of course.
Because we do have committee reports that we can sponsor.
So, preliminarily, if you follow the rule, Section 19, you can. But prudence, usually, on controversial bills, they do not, because the ratio between minority and majority also changes, and sometimes the alignments are ideological, sometimes the alignments are political, sometimes the bill are the same. So it really depends, no?
Yes,
But
yes.
again, the new majority will endeavor to finish the reorganization latest Monday. No?
Okay, thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you.
Just for the
So
record.
the comments are on the record and referred to the Committee on Rules.
Yes, Mr. President. And just for the record, we were supposed to sponsor two measures on under the as chairman of the Committee on Justice on the citizenships of two the principal sponsor, Senator Bongo and Senator Pia Cayetano.
Are they here today?
They were here yesterday, but I want to know if we can schedule it
Yes.
tomorrow.
Majority Leader,
Mr. President.
may I request that you discuss with Senator Pangilinan and the two sponsors? Maybe we can accommodate tomorrow.
Because there is a timeline as
Yes.
to the. Okay, thank you, Mr. President. Thank you. We will be ready.
Nag-iba yung tono nila ngayon mga kadonatics eh. Sila Lacson, si Bulaga, School Bukol, at itong si Kiko Panghilinan. Nag-iba yung tono nila. Magaling kasi itong si Senator Cayetano mga kadonatics. Lahat ng mga confusion nila ay nasasagot niya talaga by the rules.
Tomorrow. Thank you, Mr.
We'll do that, Mr. President, and I hope the real majority leader will be elected soon, Mr. President. Mr. President, at this
Will be elected soon. So sino kaya mga kadonatics? Comment down below ang dapat magiging chairman ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Yan yung pinaka-importante talaga dyan no? Kasi yan yung nag-iimbestiga sa maleta-maletang pera at sa flood control mga kadonatics. Who do you think mga kadonatics is capable to do so? Is it Marcoleta? Because nung siya yung nag-chair mga kadonatics, two days pa lang, 2 hearings. Grabe, ang dami ng mga nasiwalat mga kadonatics. At mukhang lumalapit na sila sa mastermind no? Na-mention na nga. Kaya, nataranta na si Soto at itong si Ping Lacson. Nagpalit agad mga kadonatics, nagko agad sila that time. Ngayon, pumapalag ang mga mukong ito na political daw itong nangyayari na coup kahapon. Kasi grabe daw. Itinakda daw sa impeachment case ni Inday Sara Duterte. Nung ginawa nila that time mga kadonatics na huling-huli na sana, pinalitan nila agad lahat. Para sa kanila, hindi yun political. Pero ito, political yung nangyari kahapon. Di ba? Grabe ka double standard itong mga mukong na to. Hot, eto mga kadonatics. Pagpatuloy lang natin. Itong si Soto, kinwestiyon niya mga kadonatics ang motion na ni Senator Villanueva na i-contempt na sila Trillanes at yung NBI agents mga kadonatics na ay talagang lumusod sa Senado mga kadonatics para manggulo. Okay. Ngayon, ayaw ni Soto i-contempt sila mga kadonatics. What the heck? Traidor talaga itong si Soto, no? Napaka-traidor. Kaya, nilecturan siya dito ni Senator Alan Cayetano, the new Senate President, mga kadonatics, at etong nangyari.
During inquiries in aid of legislation. This is what the Committee on Rules will have to tackle in that particular motion to sign in contempt anyone from the session hall. The impeachment court is empowered too, but not the Senate. I cannot find it in the rules. No? Section 18 of the Senate Resolution number 5, the rules of procedure governing inquiries and in aid of legislation, provides that a chairman, with the concurrence of at least one member of the committee, may punish or cite in contempt any witness before a committee who disobeys any order of the committee or refuses to be sworn or testify.
Nanggigigil si Jingo Estrada sa likod no? Nanggigigil siya sa
or for falsely or evasively testifying. Further, as emphasized in this Senate Resolution 145, the power of contempt is inherent to the enforcement of the right to conduct inquiries in aid of legislation. So, in fact, Senate Resolution 237, such power of contempt was delegated to the subcommittees as they comprise the same membership as the main committee and should have the committee's full powers, including the power to cite and punish witnesses in contempt. All right. Now, the other instance that we are allowed to the power of contempt is during
Grabe.
impeachment proceedings constituted as an impeachment court, not as a Senate.
Hudas talaga itong si Soto, mga kadonatics, no? Ngayon, ayaw niyang ipakontempt ang nanggulo kahapon. Tapos, sinong nagpapasok sa kanila? Ay si Soto pala, mga kadonatics. At alam niya pala na mayroong arrest warrant from the ICC against Senator Bato de la Rosa. Pero, hindi niya pinaalam niya, mga kadonatics, sa Senado or kay Senator Bato de la Rosa kasi gusto niyang makidnap itong si Senator Bato de la Rosa para hindi makaboto na palitan siya, mga kadonatics. That was the only vote, mga kadonatics, kahapon. Without Senator Bato de la Rosa, hindi mapapalitan itong Judas na to. Ni-risk ni Senator Bato de la Rosa ang kanyang buhay. Alam niya na there could be a big chance that he would be brought to the ICC once he showed up, mga kadonatics. Pero anong nangyari? Pumunta talaga siya sa Senado para lang bumoto at alisin itong kumag na to. Grabe! Kaya nga, nakipangbunok talaga siya, mga kadonatics. Hinawakan na siya ng NBI. Hindi lang nakita sa video. Pero yun saad niya, hinawakan na siya. Kaya nga, pumulusok siyang takbo, mga kadonatics. Kasi, once mahuli ka nun, yung mga kumag na to, there's no coming back. May aeroplano nang naka-standby para dalhin si Senator Bato de la Rosa sa dahig. Grabe ka! Sobra sila ka-traidor talaga sa bansa.
Only in committee hearings in aid of legislation. So, the only instance that contempt is mentioned in our rules is the duty of the sergeant at arms
Patingin-tingin na lang eh.
to enforce a citation in contempt issued by any committee of the Senate and to detain and place under custody witnesses, etc., etc. And the jurisprudence mentioned by Senator Lacson by the Supreme Court in Uy Ong versus the Senate of the Philippines,
Yeah, dalawa sila ni Lacson.
the Supreme Court discussed that concomitant to the power of legislature to conduct inquiries in aid of legislation is its power of contempt impliedly provided under the 1987 Constitution. So that is my point, Mr. President. So I think we should not approve the motion to contempt right away without consulting the Committee on Rules to find out whether this is correct or not. That we can only cite in contempt, the Senate can cite in contempt when we are in aid of legislation and we are in a committee. Maybe
Before we have a ruling, let me
Yes.
just
Grabe talaga ka-traidor, no? Very easy, mga kadonatics. Ginulo kayo, pero bakit ayaw mo ipakontempt? Kasi ba, against kay Bato de la Rosa? Ikaw kasi napapasok no? Kaya ito, todo tanggol itong si Soto, mga kadonatics. Walang respeto sa Senado. It's very easy. Contempt. Question them. Bakit ginawa nila yon? Pero ito, ayaw niyang, baka ma-question kasi. Sino nagpapasok sa inyo? Sino may utos sa inyo na papasok kayo dito sa Senado? Kanino kayo nag-coordinate? Malaman, mga kadonatics. But of course, si Senator Amy Marcos na mismo nagsabi niya sa likod ngayon, si Soto lahat ang may kagagawan, mga kadonatics. Bakit nagkaganon kahapon?
expound on the decision yesterday.
Nilekturan siya ni
The chair yesterday mentioned that in several Supreme Court decisions, as early as Arnold versus Nazareno, the Supreme Court upheld the inherent right to self-preservation of the legislative body. And the chair explained that if a committee is given a power to hold in contempt, so much more the plenary. And that there are two kinds of contempt. The indirect contempt and the direct contempt. So for example, if Maria and Pedro were now sitting in the gallery and they started shouting, if the sergeant at arms took them out, but they came back and they started throwing stones, we can hold them, or they had guns, we can send them for inquest, or we can hold them in contempt because it's part of self-preservation. So even in
Tama.
the decision mentioned by Senator Lacson has to deal with the issue at hand. The ratio decidendi or the reason for the decision always deals with only the issue at hand. And the issue at hand then was the contempt powers of legislation in aid of legislation. But despite that, still, the Supreme Court again said, indeed, the exercise of contempt power by legislature is anchored on self-preservation, and they had a footnote from the previous cases. Having said that, I'd like to ask the pleasure of the minority leader.
Yes.
Would you like to vote on it, or would you like us to send this to the legal and then give them a day or two to, or until Monday
yeah.
to? Because the problem
Yeah,
with
I was thinking of that, Mr. President,
Yes.
if you don't mind. I'm sorry for
yes,
interrupting
go ahead,
you.
sir.
Because the Supreme Court itself laid down the limitations. Oh, that's why we have to discuss it perhaps in
Yes,
the committee or
yes.
the legal. No, the first limitation: the subject hearings were conducted in aid of legislation. 1, 2. Second limitation: the assailed rules are compliant with the publication requirement of Section 21, Article 6 of the 1987 Constitution. And the third limitation is that the committee failed to accord petitioners their constitutional right to due process relative to the conduct of its proceedings. Therefore, we were in plenary session yesterday, and then we were suspended when this event was being discussed. So, again, the pleasure, really, Mr. President, if you do not mind, is that we refer the motion
Yes.
to the Committee on Rules.
We are in agreement, but just to explain, one example I gave yesterday, even if it wasn't in the rules of court, or even if there's no precedent, if we were in the Supreme Court, and while they were in hearing, I ran after or tried to arrest or tried to mug
Self-preservation.
one of the justices, they can hold me in direct contempt.
Correct. Di ba? Self-preservation.
Because it's really about self-preservation.
Tama.
So the events yesterday was so grave that yes, we need cooler heads because we really have to discuss the problems of agriculture, the problems of the economy, problems of transportation. Naghihirap talaga mga kababayan natin. And of course, we're all aware that the House voted for impeachment yesterday, so we're all preparing for that. But at the same time, we have to show the world, including our local law enforcers, that you cannot play around with the Senate as an institution.
Correct.
And when you're trying to prevent a member from attending, that is direct contempt of the Senate. So I'm in agreement if we can all agree that we send it first to the
Yes.
legal, and maybe we'll invite any legal staff of all the Senate offices so that they can participate there,
All
because
right.
it's an issue that so that we won't take one opinion hook, line, and sinker, but get all the brilliant minds of the offices of the 24 senators,
Good
then
choice.
discuss it, but and we'll hold the reconsideration in abeyance until we have that, if it's acceptable to the former Senate President.
I concur. So I so move, Mr. President.
Thank you very much. So,
Alright, mga kadonatics. Alright, so ito kasing si School Bukol, mga kadonatics, ay talagang may nangyari na sa bakuran mo, mga kadonatics. Talagang ipupull out niya pa yung mga rules and regulations kung dapat ba i-content or hindi. Ganyan yung ginawa niya, mga kadonatics. May limitation pa siyang mga sinasabi na, ay nako, kung may akyat bahay sa iyo, mga kadonatics, kailangan po ba i-check yung rules kung barilin ko ba to? Or tatawag ba ako ng pulis? Ang word nga, ang term nga ang ginamit dito, mga kadonatics, is self-preservation. Kasi, you are entitled to do what do you think can preserve you, mga kadonatics. Kung may nakita ka ng akyat bahay at may kutsilyo or anything that can harm you, mga kadonatics, and if you think pointing a gun to them or barilin sila, mga kadonatics, can preserve your life, then you have to do it, mga kadonatics, without even considering kung mali ba, mga kadonatics, na barilin ko to or hindi. Kasi you are preserving your life, at ang nangyari kahapon, that was preserving Senator Bato de la Rosa, a sitting senador, mga kadonatics. Tapos itong si Soto, ewan ko ba talaga. Grabe sila makabendalo. Pero sa dito, ang dami niyang mga binasa na mali naman mga kadonatics. Well, anyway, magaling itong si Senator Alan Cayetano. Brilliant din mga kadonatics. Nilecturean sila at sinupalpal sila mga kadonatics. Kasi attorney abogado, hindi kagaya ng mga school bukol na ewan ko ba. Walang nagawa nga sa Senado. Yeah, well, anyway, thank you so much and comment down below mga kadonatics at babasahin natin yan. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you. Ingat palagi. Bye-bye.